when my soul can't find its peace. You draw near with hands of mercy and whispers truth that sets me free. You see the pain no one else sees. You calm the storms inside of me. Jesus, my healer, you restore. You make me whole forevermore. Jesus, my healer, my refuge and strength. Your touch brings life. Your love never ends. In every wound I find your grace. You lift me up in your embrace. Jesus, my healer, forever I'll sing. You're the peace that suffering brings. When shadows fall and hope grows dim, your light breaks through the deepest sin. You take my ashes, crown them with joy. You heal the child the world destroyed. Every tear becomes a song. Every weakness made strong. You are near, you never leave. Your love is all I'll ever need. Jesus, my healer, my refuge and strength. Your touch brings life. Your love never ends. In every wound I find your grace. You lift me up in your embrace. Jesus, my healer, forever I'll sing. You're the peace that suffering brings. You spoke and the blind could see. You breathed and the dead came free. And now breathe your life in me again. My Savior, my